The Audience Hall of Darius and Xerxes. The Audience Hall is located in Persepolis, which is the capital of the Achaemenid Persian Empire and about 60 kilometers northeast of Shiraz, Iran. Persepolis is an ancient city known for monumental art and architecture. The Achaemenid Empire was the first Persian empire. This empire was vast, stretching from the Balkan Peninsula in the west to the Indus River Valley in the east. The Persian kings were known for their monumental art and architecture to craft messages to reinforce power and depict iconographical Persian rule. Persepolis was marked as a special site by Darius the Great. He called this location the Royal Hill, and the building would be used as a ceremonial center and citadel for the city. Darius directed a building program that would continue into the rule of Xerxes and Artaxerxes I. The program at Persepolis, including the building of a massive terrace platform covering 125,000 square meters of the promontory. This platform supported 4 groups of structures: residential quarters, a treasury, ceremonial palaces, and fortifications. The audience hall is hypostyle, meaning that the roof of the structure is supported by columns, similar to Greek hypostyle. The original 72 columns that supported the roof are 24 meters in height. Monumental stairways on the north and east lead to the Apendana. The 2 sets of stairway reliefs mirror and complement each other. Each program has a central scene of the enthroned king flanked by his attendants and guards. The column capitals were in the form of either twin-headed bulls, eagles, or lions. All of these animals represented royal authority and kingship. The sculptures form a processional scene. Each register depicted representatives of the 23 subject nations of the Persian Empire bringing valuable gifts to the king. The Apendata Palace is a large ceremonial building which likely served as the audience hall. The audience hall is 10 times the size of Germany and served as the center of the Persian Empire. Throughout the massive area, there were residential areas, a treasury, and an Apendana. It also was the location for the palaces of both Darius and Xerxes. Some scholars suggest that the site has a sacred connection to the god Mithra, as well as the Persian New Year's festival. The building makes a strong, clear statement about the authority of the Persian king. Persepolis remained an important site until it was sacked, looted, and burned in 330 BCE, during the reign of Alexander the Great. Now only 14 of the 72 columns remain.